Hi, thanks for tuning in. I'm Karen with Valley Mission Home Care Pharmacy, and today we're going to be looking at nebulizers, nebulizer compressors, and the kits that go along with that, how to make sure they're working properly and that the medication is where it belongs, and how to take care of that kit going forward. There's going to be some information in the links down below, and we just really welcome your phone calls. If you have any questions about anything you've seen here or have any questions at all about what we offer, please don't hesitate to give us a call. So first off, the thing to understand is that this is for one individual. You don't want to be sharing the equipment with other people, the tubing, the medicine cup, and all of that. You want to keep that for one individual. It does use just a standard 110 outlet in your home. Keep your animals away from the tubing. Puppies like to get a hold of the tubing in their teeth and chew holes in it. When you're using the machine, listen to it and observe. It should make a little bit of a rumble, but it shouldn't be crazy loud. So if you've got it making a really obnoxious loud sound, there's something amiss. The medication should also be giving you a continuous cloud that you're breathing in. If that's not happening, something's amiss, and we'll kind of go over what some of those things might be. So this is the kit. It's fairly small and lightweight. Comes with a packet of tubing, which most insurances will permit you to buy a new one of these about every month, so they stay clean. There's filters, a manual, which you will keep and hold on to for future reference. And then the kit itself, the nebulizer compressor itself, is just that big. So here it is, all plugged in. Tubing. The attachments can use either end. They just go right in there on the machine. You want to get it in there nice and snug. Sorry. This is the medicine cup. You attach the other end to the end. And this can be opened up and cleaned, which I recommend doing from time to time. This one's kind of got a little insert here. The thing to know is that these are 3 pieces. So if any of these pieces, like if that middle piece falls down the drain while you're washing it out, it's not going to work. And you just want to clean it out and air dry it every so often. And then the tubing can attach in any sort of orientation that you care to use. And you just breathe normally. To put the medicine in, you'll end up with something like this from your pharmacy or from us, if you've got it all in one place. This little fish right there. You pop the top off, and you don't need to open this cup. Once this is all together, it's good to go. You just drop it in there and squeeze. Squeeze the medicine in there. So now that it's all together, you can just press go. And you can just sit and breathe it in, or you can attach any combination of these and then just put this in the mouth and breathe through here. Now you'll see some medication is coming out the back. That's okay. You're just going to be breathing in and breathing out, and you will be getting the medicine. You'll know it's done. Turn that off. You'll know it's done when you tilt it kind of sideways and you can see there's no more medicine left. That's obviously not the case now, but you should be able to get through one dosing in about 15-20 minutes. If it's taking a crazy long amount of time, there's something up. You might have a filter that needs replacing. And the filter lives right under here. You just need to take a couple fingernails, pop it out. There he is. And this as well, you can just wash with some mild detergent, rinse it, air dry, as for the rest of this as well. The only thing you don't want to get wet or put in the sink in any way, shape, or form is the tubing. There's some schools of thought that you want to wash all the tubing and let it hang to dry. We do not condone that. It just doesn't make a lot of sense. You're inviting a lot of bacteria into the system, and the kit is something that you can replace, as I say, through most insurances once a month, and they're also cost somewhere in the neighborhood of $8 to $10, so it's hardly worth it. Okay. So one thing to bear in mind is that because these dispense a medication, you do actually have to have a prescription in order to receive one of these. You need a prescription, of course, to bill insurance, but even if you were to pay cash and not bill your insurance, we do require a prescription before dispensing these. And that includes dispensing a replacement kit each month. But good news, if you come to us with a prescription that we fill for you and you get this equipment from us, we'll have that on file. And then you can come in, call in, send someone in, and we can replace that for you easily. We just have to have that on record. Well, thanks so much for watching our little video here. Really appreciate your business. We've been in business since 1974, and we really love working for you in our local community. So buy local, and we'll see you here at the pharmacy. Thanks.